Never know me I woke up in a crisis today to pussy clad. And I said me I woke up in a crisis, a regular crisis me I woke up on. Like my regular crisis friend them we all away a crisis. And them crisis them me used to me. I used to them kind of crisis, a different kind of crisis that come like St. Thomas dopey crisis, me I tell you. Yeah man, a serious crisis that point with man. In mind, me charge $3 for voice a song. Me charge for mix the song them myself. We charge for drop them on our channel, we charge everything. So then when Kizzy link me, with the song I say, I drop the audio, Me I say, Kizzy, make we do the video, Kizzy. Me say, Kizzy, make we do the video. You see me say, make we do the video. And drop the video. And she said, no, me I will drop her. She said, alright, yeah. She'll drop the audio on her page, and then we'll do the video and drop on my page. And I say, alright. Then she drop the audio, she send me it, and me repost it, and me put it and post it on my gram. You see me, I say, and that's it. That is how people do with music. And at that she come up, because she never have nothing, You know when somebody company up and I look at fame and she know say, people know me and them sitting there. You see me? You see, she know me. Me I say, alright, just give me that rate there, black, and we drop it. But when we drop she drop the song no reach now. Because keep this in mind, she not enough subscriber. She nobody at all, no know her. You see me, I say. And she drop it on her page. Where she going to get all of that? Me I tell her we could do the video. She don't link me from that. But she come on TikTok, she talk about that. We happened about 3 years ago. I mean, like, what the fuck isn't that for your talk about? Because as a matter of fact, not knowing night, we do a collab, we drop it, years pass, yeah, come talk about all song. So when me come on the live, and say, people, better Kizzy link me. Me never cuss her when she go do that, Because she come on live and talk to me. say, I better Kizzy link me and we do a next song and drop the fucking video and rate it. So me, if you say everything, Kizzy Lego the vibes. So, when me feel like this a vibe that come out, it come like she just beat on. Them bitter smarty there. She beat her, Because she link me and say, alright, God, when she going at God tap one, she say, God, we know would I want your forward. I don't know what people think I like. She say, yo, God, would I want your forward a taboo. You see me I say, and give me a strength like, come on, you see me I say, make me do the song.
Wi-Fi. We can't really call you. The signal kind of weak for the straight call, but I have Wi-Fi. What me da link up on me I say, you must see the flyers I'm going to get Taboo Friday, Saturday and Sunday, but the one at town now, it's true me go open the performance of the song we made. But then I wonder if you could give me an energy and pass through and just do your verse. Come with respect that. I know say you're busy and everything there, so you can't go make me understand, but I don't want to say it to you from man, I'm really kind of last minute still. But if you're active and you can forward, but I appreciate you.
See that? Look. You see me? And guess what? Me never get to reach. You understand? I'm sure I say, say, me never get to reach. You know what she said? She said, she just like it. She don't say nothing. She don't say nothing. So, that me I wonder if that she carry feelings over now. You understand? Me I say, most that she come here, most that when she carry feelings for. True, she asked me to come at the blood clot club and me never go. Bro, me can't take them people here. They don't know when to chill or when to go in a character. You see me I say, and when to let go them bitchy ways. You understand? Because me no come over here, me no see her, me no trouble her, I give one fuck. I wish she go on with. You see me I say, she come over here and I be lame and I be fake and I do every shit to get views. I never one day come and say, oh, I don't even follow, I don't even play with her, I don't business nothing with where she are going with. The one day, so when me go see and Andre send me. I mean, Andre all that place, so me see them send me now, me say I accept it. She depend it. She a chat off her mouth, bro. Where are they, bro? Yeah, dog. She just come over here and a fuck around my dog. I know my style, dog. You know me, the man, dog. If me just come over here, only time you hear me chat and go out my fucker when people chat and me, I chat realness. You see, me never come over here and try and mix up nobody or, you see me, I say. The only time I do that, I let people try it with me. You see me, I just my style, bro. Me not come on and go on like me and see and you see me? Me no do that and people know that. You see me, I do it when me feel like, yes. Like to an extent with the people them where we actually catch a vibe with. Like if we come on and Dre upon it now, we don't start tagging because guess what? We know that we are working. Me and Nitro them too. Same thing we do, we come on, we just start tagging one another. Because we know that's how far as to go, but me have to know you're good, me have to good. You see me? We have to know you're good and we have to know the boundary where we can carry it, you see me? Bro, we know say attention, brother. You know, say nobody is seek attention like her, bro. But me's not a man of me's not a person who I go tell people say don't seek attention because I know what she has seek it for any. So me now come and bash her and say don't seek attention. But it's like me know and you know me. Stop seek attention off of me, man. Me not see her blood clot. You see me seek attention, make we friend up with one another first pan the app. Then I seek attention. Just come on and seek attention and I have to diss your blood clean. You see me? Don't do that, man. Yeah? You know them people. Yeah, man, sure. TikTok in one place, man. You draw out your fuck. You see me? TikTok, you don't have to plan for it, you just come on it, you just bland street night, no bloof. You know, plan for it. I never plan for none of this pussy, I never plan for channel. I never know me woke up in a crisis today to pussy class. And I said me I woke up in a crisis, a regular crisis me I woke up on. I'm regular crisis friend them where all away a crisis. A them crisis them used to me. Used to them kind of crisis, a different kind of crisis that come like St. Thomas dopey crisis, me I tell you. Yeah, man, a serious crisis that point with man. Yeah, man, people, anyway. We done this, man. No worries. People, we done this. I'm not going to waste my time on she, I swear to God. You could just go and pour tap. Yeah, man. You could just go and pour tap and go and play a little game as usual, yeah. Because that's not for style. Yeah, Anthony carry it, man, not for style, but you know, where you man being drawing out kind of hard for my time.